Hi YouTube, and welcome to part 2 in this video series showing CoinOPS on the original Xbox. In this video I'm going to focus on the network configuration between the Xbox and the computer so we can copy files to and from the Xbox. Okay, so I'm using a crossover cable to connect my computer to the Xbox. So I'm going to set the network type to static. And I'm also going to set the IP address of the Xbox console to 192.168.1.100. Our subnet mask is already set up for us, so I'm just going to leave that as it is. The only other thing we need to note here is the FTP username and password. Both of those are set to Xbox. Okay, we're on my computer. We're just going to look at the network configuration quickly. So we just open up our adapter settings there. Right click and go to properties on local network, and if we open up TCP/IP properties, you can see there I've already got an IP address in the correct range with the correct subnet mask. And if we just hit OK on that, we're going to just pretty much ignore that message. Okay, so I just plugged in the network cable and it should be identifying the Xbox on the other end of the cable. So I'm just going to run a ping to the Xbox, see what response I get. Yep, there we go, it's there, it's available. Great. Okay, so we're on my computer. I'm just bringing up FileZilla in Firefox there to show that. It's a freely available FTP client. So I've just opened that up. I've got the IP address of the Xbox and username and password as Xbox. And there we go, we're connected in. First thing I'm going to do here is just create a folder under C dashboard called skins. And I'm just going to go on my D drive. There we go, find the skin folder and upload that into the skins folder I just created. So just the very first thing here is I'm just changing the standard skin to something a little bit more appealing. Okay, so now I've got the skin uploaded to the Xbox. I can go into settings and set that as the default skin to use. Okay, next we'll upload CoinOPS. I mentioned the FileZilla FTP client before, but here it is if you need to download it and install it. So just checking here, so on my D drive on my computer I've got CoinOPS Lite, and what I'm going to do here is, from my previous experience, I know that this version of CoinOPS doesn't fit on my 8GB standard hard drive that originally came on my Xbox. I've not upgraded it. So I'm going to take a fair number of the video files out of the standard CoinOPS package and I'm going to put them in a different folder for safekeeping, and I'll actually upload those after the CoinOPS runs its initial configuration. Once that initial configuration is done, then I'll upload those full videos as well. So there we go, so they're out of the main CoinOPS folder. Okay, so just connect to the Xbox once again, and if we just expand it out, go to the E drive, and I'm just going to take that whole CoinOPS Lite folder and right hand click on upload, and send that out to the E drive. So there we go, that's now running. It'll take quite a while to go up, so I'll pause recording and come back to it. Okay, we're back and the upload job is just finishing. All of the larger files, the game ROMs and videos, have already been uploaded, and these last files should be quick to upload. Yeah, so we're just coming to around 400 files. It looks like a lot, but in fact they're really small files, these last few. Okay, next up I'm going to create a menu item on the Xbox dashboard under Applications to launch CoinOPS with. So on the C drive under Dashboard, I'm going to download the file config.xml. I'm going to put that in my temp folder. There we go. And I'm going to open that up with Notepad++. If you don't happen to have that, you can just edit it with Notepad. Okay, if I just get into Applications, put in a new line, and I'm just going to go to an old copy of the config XML. And I'm just going to copy a item action line out of that and paste it into my new one. So the first thing I've got to do is change that location. That's on the E drive under CoinOPS, and I'll just switch to the FTP client, just double check I'm putting in the right location. Okay, so we go CoinOPS space 5 Lite backslash, and I'll tell you what, I'll just double check that again. I get one too many spaces. Right, let's get rid of that. There we go. And then the only thing I need to do is just change the description that's going to appear on the dashboard. So I'll just change that to CoinOPS 5 Lite. Great, so I'll save that file. I'm going to close it, and I'm going to go back to FileZilla to upload this file. I'm going to upload it back onto the C drive dashboard folder. There we go, so if it hit upload, and I'm going to overwrite the existing file. Okay. Alright, quick reboot and I'll be able to see that on the menu. Okay, I'm back on the Xbox. I've rebooted it already. So under Applications, I've got CoinOPS 5 Lite now. That's great. So if I hit that, we're off. We're launching CoinOPS 5 Lite for the first time. It's going to run through some initialization on the first go. And this will actually take quite a while, so I'm going to speed this through on the video and see you on the other side. Okay, just finishing up the configuration. Here we go, we're in CoinOPS. So now just scroll up and down and have a look at some of the games that are available. Okay, so I just got a static picture here, but I'm just showing you that I've got 670 megabytes free after the upload and the CoinOPS configuration is all run. So I'm going to upload some of those videos that I previously excluded from the large upload job in FileZilla. Okay, so back in FileZilla, in the video folder where they're yet to be uploaded. So I'm just going to have a look through these and click on some of them to upload. There we go, I'm just picking some out random. Any that particularly catch my eye that I definitely want the video previews of. Okay, so hit upload, and as you can see they're being copied up to the Xbox. Okay, it's all finished, so I'm just going to move those into the video files that have already been uploaded, just so I don't try and upload any of these videos twice to the Xbox. Okay, I think that's it. The next video should be some gameplay preview. We're pretty much there.